Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this car is Volkswagen Polo Match TSI 2016 plate, 1200cc engine in it. Let's start the service. So firstly you need to lose this panel. So as you can see that this is the oil filter and this is the drain plug. I think it's 19 mm drain plug. You need a 19 mm socket for that. These are the oil filters, and these are hands tight oil filter. You can remove it by hand. So these are hands tight, so needs to do that. Oh, very tight. Sometime you need this tool for that. Quite helpful, very helpful. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. How easy is it? Woo. So as I already said, this car is Volkswagen Polo 1.2 and this is the VIX oil filter number 7503. It's gonna cost me like £7 61p including VAS here. So you can change either in different company, but I'm using these one VIX filters. They are very good. So let's change it. Let's see. While fitting these oil filters, make sure you apply some oil on it. This one, in these ones, apply some oil. Yep. And just hand tie it. This is enough tied by hand, so I'm going to use this one as well for our safety. For more safety, I'm going to tie it a little bit more. Let's lose this one. 19. Quite tight. Done. So this has been tied. It's been changed, so it needs to put the bottom panel, engine panel, back to normal condition. So let's put it back on it. So we've done the service on it, and in this specific model you need to put 4 liter engine oil, because this is petrol engine and 1.2. so exact 4 liter engine oil needs to put. You can put 5W30 in it as well, so I'm putting 5W30. Let's put it. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my videos and like my videos. Please do subscribe and like my videos, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.